So our Riesling on the core menu. So on the label, we've got a few things going on. We've got Pikes. Now Pikes is the producer, and then in black you'll see Clare Valley. Clare Valley is the region where this wine is grown and made, and then Riesling at the bottom, and Wine of Australia. So Riesling being the grape variety. So the pronunciation here, the predominant pronunciation is the grape variety, so it's Riesling, and the region being Clare Valley. So it's a Riesling from Clare Valley. Whereabouts is Clare Valley? So Clare Valley is a wine growing region quite notable for producing fantastic Riesling, and it's kind of north-west of Adelaide. So it's about 3 hours drive from Adelaide going north and west, and that's in South Australia, being the state. So produced in Clare Valley, South Australia, Australia. In terms of the style of wine, now this is a beautiful Riesling. It's an off-dry Riesling, but effectively let's class it as a dry Riesling. So there's a very small amount of residual sugar, and that balances really well with a high acidity and lovely sort of tropical notes on both the nose and reinforced on the palate. So those tropical fruit characteristics, a little banana, but also sort of lots of sort of citrus fruits coming from the high acidity. In terms of food and wine pairing, this Riesling does pair well with quite a range of foods, but it's particularly best with something that's just slightly spicy. So something that's got a little bit of sort of, chili in, like a red chili in it or something, but it will also go really well with like a lighter salad dish and stand up to something like a sea bass or another fish dish. It would even go as far as pairing maybe with like a chicken, so something like a chicken Normandy, because it's quite a versatile wine from a wine and food perspective. My personal favourite, this wine is just enjoy it on its own pre-dinner. From a service point of view, this wine is served in our smaller Riedel Bistro wine glass.